Okay, just telling you this is the hallway going down to the living area. This is the living area. The nice love seat. There I am. Nice couch. We'll lay down all the time watching TV. Of course, the television. This is my last day. Is on the is almost on the wall in between the two. It's dark outside, but it's raining. Nice balcony. Here is the small kitchen. Has a dishwasher, large refrigerator. Now we're coming into the bathroom. Bathroom's okay. You know, it's almost. Here is the bathroom. Here we go. Hi. Looking around. And look how many. This is what they gave me for the last 10 days. Okay, we're coming into my bedroom, which is cool. Nice bed. And the television on top. Isn't that neat? It is a beautiful, beautiful place to stay at the Sunbird. And that's about it. We're back in the hallway. As you can see, not much. That over there is a closet right by the hanging in there. And, ooh, I forgot. A washer and dryer. Mom may be going over here. We don't know yet. But that's cool. A washer, dryer.